Hello, I'm Batu, and today we're going to be talking about Acumatica P3M's OEE, Overall Equipment Efficiency module. All right, now let's head to our dashboards and click on OEE. First thing, we're going to be going over the timeline comparison and packaging line. Let's click on that. And under here, we can see the packaging line till this month, and we can see the whole timeline of the packaging line as well. As you can see, each color means something different. For example, yellow means there was a sensor malfunction between these time frames. The pink means there was a feeder problems between these time frames, and so forth. Like there was a gearbox breakdown in blue, and so forth, as you can see here. All right, so this is basically where we can see all our timeline. Next, we're gonna be going over our packaging line OEE overview. Under OEE overview, we can see our OEE levels. For example, there was OEE processing line is 63% is acceptable level. Next to that, we have the OEE availability in processing line. It's 100%. Again, we can see our OEE performance and our OEE quality in the processing line as well, as you can see here. And on the right, we have the line chart of the end of last 7 days and scrap for last 7 days here as well. Next, we have the packaging line in full overview. So under full overview, we see pretty much everything. We see the OEE, as you can see here. We can see the timeline. We can see our Pareto. As you can see, for example, there was 3 occurrences in machine failure. There was 1 occurrence in reduced yield, and there was 1 occurrence in reduced speed, and so forth. Right. Below that, we can see all our event logs, and below that, we can see all our work orders for the packaging line. As you can see, we have 1. And we can also see our energy usage in packaging line as well. So this is a full overview. Because of that, we'll see everything, as you can see here. Next, we have the packaging line email registration. So again, in Acumatica P3M, there is 2 ways to add a event. So we can either do this manually or AI will do it itself. So in order to edit manually, as you can see, we'll do from here. For example, there was a machine failure in packaging line, and we want to log it. So we're going to come to event registration, which is what we're looking right now, and we're going to be choosing what it is. So is it a machine failure, or is it a like quality rejections, or machine failure, actual failure, and so forth, right? So if it is a machine failure, we're going to click on event, and we're going to confirm the event. After confirm it, that will update our timeline. All right, now lastly, I want to talk about our event logs for the packaging line. As you can see here, under here, we can see all the events that's been happening in packaging line. Let's move. So, for example, we have the machine failure in packaging line at this date and time. And they logged, that was a sensor malfunction, right? In packaging line at this date and it's that time. And so forth. As you can see, there are several ones here as well. And this is how we can see all our event logs. That sums up the overview of the OEE inside the Acumatica P3M. Thank you.